So when we look at prescribing, the one thing that I always think about is we really want to drive people towards the right answer. So we don't want them guessing about what they want to use. And so really what we want to do is make sure that we have the appropriate large volume IV fluids included in the order protocols and order sets for our providers. So they shouldn't have to remember what the correct fluid is for those patients. It should be built into our protocols and order sets. So I think that's an important part, is making sure that we're including those in those processes and really just driving correct prescribing. We also have to think about naming convention. So how the name is on the actual product and how it's represented in the electronic prescribing record, and I say electronic prescribing records, but some people still prescribe on paper. But something as easy as half normal saline, for example, is technically 0.45% sodium chloride solution. So that you can write out the number 0.45%. You could put in a 1/2 for 1/2, called 1/2 normal saline. I've even seen some people incorrectly put it as 0.45% normal saline, which is not exactly correct. So we need to think about the terminology that our prescribers are using so that they can find what they're looking for, but also make sure that that order that is on the patient's medication administration record is going to match what is on the product, and really just make it seamless for making sure that we don't have mix-ups in those types of circumstances.